So we're at NKE Performance, where today we're having the side skirts and rear spats fitted onto the car. I've actually got a car in at the moment. But yeah, let's crack on. Oh, so it's a new day. Explain to you what's happened, and yeah, we'll go from there. So the side skirts are on. I've pinstriped them, which we'll see in a moment. Had them done obviously last night. Look so much better. I can't believe how just having some side skirts and rear spats with some pinstripe has made such a difference. But I'll show you around the car in just a moment, but I'm going to explain a couple of things to you first. So when I was driving home from work, I noticed I could hear my exhaust knocking. I was like, oh, for God's sake, I've had endless problems with this exhaust. Sort of thing, like, not just this exhaust, but like, just like when I've had my decat and stuff like that fitted. The main problem with the car has always been to do with the exhaust. But anyway, I noticed it's been knocking a little bit, and I heard that it's quite wobbly. Like, someone told me from work that it's really wobbling. Better get it checked. So while I was doing the side skirts, I got underneath the car, had a look, and the actual mount, oh, the hanger, sorry, from the back box completely snapped off. Luckily, it made no hole in the back box, so it literally has like the hanger weld, then onto a plaque, what goes onto the back box, and it was lucky enough it's pulled the plaque off of the back box, but lucky enough there's no hole, so we're quite lucky. So obviously straight away I was like, this needs to be fixed, because my exhaust is hitting around, it's just not good, it was sitting low, it just weren't looking right. So I then obviously knew straight away that was another problem that I needed to get sorted. Driving home after having my side skirts and rear spats fitted, trying to ignore the fact that the exhaust has been broken, because obviously at this point I was thinking, oh, for fuck's sake, something else with the car. But anyway, put that aside. I got home and then decided, you know what, these need pinstriping. So went into the shed, got my pinstripe out, looked at it, like loads of pinstripes, so I thought I'd carry on. So I started off with one of the rear spats, and I thought, yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Stood there, had a look at like what it looked like, the two before and after. Yeah, definitely needs pinstriping. Done the side, done the other side, went to do the rear spat, and yeah, may have run out of pinstripe. So as you can imagine, it was a very eventful day for the car yesterday, but I just thought of something in my head, something else that happened yesterday, which I'll just tell you. So I was driving to work, and down like some of the way to my work, sometimes I just go down some back roads and stuff. A bloody fox decided to jump into the side of my car. Luckily enough, it's not damaged anything, but it's like bloods and guts literally went flying all up the side of my car. It was disgusting. So we started off with the fox, found out about the exhaust, then ran out of pinstripe. It was a very eventful day for the car yesterday, so I kind of needed just to leave it, because otherwise I was going to get annoyed with it. So I just left it for the day, and today's a new day. So I'm going to stop rambling on. I'm just going to say today I've been back down to NKE today and had the hanger re-welded back on for such a good deal as well, but really, really cheap. And they've nice, strong, solid weld. Had a look here, took the back box off, re-welded it, and solid, ain't going to come off now. But at least that's that sorted. I've ordered some more pinstripe, so I'll explain to you what I've... So yeah, I've ordered some more pinstripe, so when I next make the next video of me showing you the pinstripe, it would all be completed, because I'm not going to show you when there's just one rear spat's only half done. But yeah. So here we have it. The ST with the rear spats and the side skirts. It makes the back of the car look really fat. Can you really say it's got a fat ass? Looks really nice. So now obviously if I just move it around like this, got a nice little annoying fly in the car. You can see they work so well with the car. Just having the side skirts and the front splitter pinstriped works really well. So just move around. Just works so well. I'm so pleased with it. So now can you see why I'm so pleased that I got a gloss black paint mods rear diffuser? Because look how well it all works. Gloss black rear spats into gloss black rear diffuser into a rear spat. I love how the back of the car really looks. Leave down in the comments below if you think I should get my rear lights tinted or buy some just completely different lights. Let me know what you think. And what a day it's been. So I pinstriped the car, well, the rear spat. I didn't get a chance to do it all. What else have I done? So I cleaned the inside, washed the outside the other day, like Friday after work. Yeah, been busy going around families, etc, etc. So this video might be a bit chopped up, but I hope you all enjoyed it. Go and check out NKE Performance, does really good deals, fitting parts, supplying and fitting. Also good at, like, just if you want to get your car looked over, they can look over it. They found a few problems with mine that I was having. Within half hour they found a problem, not even half hour, 10 minutes really, time they got it on the ramp. Go and check them out, link will be down below. But yeah, really nice people. Thanks ever so much for fitting the parts to my car. They've also lowered my car as well when I had it lowered and everything like that, and they're going to be doing some more stuff to it as well. So a massive thank you again for everyone to subscribing. I've got nearly at 400 subs, so we're nearly smashing it. 400 subs to some YouTubers is nothing. That's like you can hold them in one hand because they've got millions, but to me that is so good. That's 400 people in this world have hit that subscribe button and, like, you know, want to watch my further content. So guys, like I said, leave a comment down below if you think I should get my rear lights tinted, or do I buy some other ones? If so, suggest what ones. Yeah, I'm going to stop rambling on, and I'll see you guys on my next video.